Well, as you can see, got my Troy built mower right here. My cable broke on me the other day, and I had to go buy another one. Oh shit! Damn, I didn't supposed to go down like that. Got me another one. Let y'all look at the part number for my Troy built. We're gonna try to put this on today using one hand in the camera and the other. Alright. Pause it for a minute and get it out the bag. Alright. Here go the new one. So I'm guessing I don't know really the way to put it on. I'm just gonna put it on this way first, I guess. I guess I'll drop it in there. Push this up to snap in. I'm gonna take this up under there. I guess that snaps in right there. I'm gonna take two hands to snap this in, so y'all gonna have to. Let's see if I can snap this thing. Well, I'm about to pause the video because I got this. It's gonna take two hands to snap this thing in. Alright, got it snapped in. It's a little tight fit. I guess the only thing we got to do is hook this up in here. I think I got it in the wrong hole. I'm gonna have to change this. Take this out. I'm trying to put it in this hole. One hand operation, baby. Alright. See if I can put this in this hole. It ain't working. Lord have mercy. It's not working. She don't want to snap in there. I'm gonna have to rig up some stuff. It look like this ain't staying in. So I'm gonna have to probably beat that up and probably tighten that up a little bit. And up here. I might have got it in the wrong hole. Here we go, baby. Here we go, baby. We are back in business. That's how you put on the cable cord on your push mower. I started with this end first. Put that in. Put the cable in the hole and slide the back cord, the black piece over, and put this up in there. Oh, you forgot you got to put this in here. This is a locking snap piece. I don't know what you want to call it, but we are back in business. Thank you for watching Table Boy Channel. We do a little bit of everything, baby. Peace.